Welcome to my Halloween countdown. My Halloween countdowns will be Halloween decor hauls or a makeup look. Today, we do both. Hello, my beautiful bugs. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Brooke. I am a fashion lover, a makeup lover, and a proud mother to a sophisticated cat named Snoop. Today, we are in my car again, and you know, if you're an OG subscriber, when we're in my car, that means we're on our way to do something that we will probably regret. No, we are not getting a tattoo. We are not getting a face tattoo or anything like that today, like last time. But today we are going to do some damage on my credit card. We are going to go to Walmart and look at their Halloween section, aka the home decor section for me. So, with that being said, let's get started. Excuse me if you hear Snoop's loud purring. We're just gonna ignore that. Walmart had a bunch of different items. They had a lot of light up pumpkins with many different faces. They had a cool fog machine with a skeleton hand on it. It was only like $30. Lots of skulls and creepy baby heads. The shelves seemed pretty full. It looked like no one was going early Halloween shopping this year. So there will be lots of goodies for us. You know what I mean? Walmart had a bunch of things that you would see at like Party City, stuff like that. They had signs, they had little witch figurines that I really wanted, but I decided not to get it yet. I'll wait a little bit, maybe because it's only September 2nd. I will probably go in like another week or so. Yeah, let's go inside so I could show you all of the little goodies that I got. I think I only got like 5 or 6 items. So this is going, like I said, this is going to be a short video. So number 1 on my list, I got this plastic skeleton spider. I was going to get a skeleton cat for Snoop, but I decided to get this spider for my dining room table instead. Next up, we got this super dope welcome mat for my front door. It has little old school witch feet, and it says, "The witch is in." How spook. Number C, we got this super cute light up pumpkin. I always carve pumpkins for Halloween, but I wanted one that won't, rot. So I got this one. Fourthly, we have this cute little metal welcome sign with a black cat on a broom with a moon in the background that you stick in the ground outside. I put mine right at the entrance of my sidewalk. Last but not least, we have this welcome to our haunted house sign that I'm going to put up at the entrance of my doorway. It's so cute. So now I want to start a new series on my channel because we are so close to Halloween. I know some people are like, girl, there's like 2 to 3 months until Halloween. Like, what are you doing? Spooky vibes start now. You feel me? Well, they started a while ago, but they start now, officially, okay? Our first Halloween countdown look is the one that I have on right now. It is this witchy inspired eye look. I didn't show a face tutorial because I have way too many of those on my channel. So if you want to know how I got this snatched face, go on and check out my other videos, especially my detailed full face easy makeup tutorial. With that being said, let's get started. First, I will be putting concealer on my lid to act as my sticky base for my eyeshadow. The concealer I'm using is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And of course, blending that out with a beauty blender. Now, tape. To tape our eyelids wide open. JK, it's for that straight edge, sis. Now taking my Morphe pencil crease brush, this itty bitty brush brings a big impact for a well-defined crease, okay? And also taking my James X Morphe palette and tapping into this warm beige brown for my transition shade, we are spreading this eyeshadow in the deepest part of your eye in your crease. Don't be shy with this transition shadow. You're not even gonna be able to see it later. Taking my Morphe Crease Fluff Brush. This fluff brush is perfect for working your crease for precise color placement or seamless blends. And we are blending out our transition shade. Going back with the same Morphe pencil crease brush and digging into this dark, moldy, decrepit witch skin green shade, and we are putting that directly into our crease without bringing the shadow to your lid. It's okay if you bring it to your lid, but really try not to. This will help you practice for your cut crease and bring it just above your lid. Make sure to get the inner corner and wing out the outer corner above the tape. You can touch the tape if you need to, but try to do it above the tape. Now I'm taking my favorite blending brush, and this is the blending brush by Farah Cosmetics, and just slightly blending out our green that we just put down. It's time to cut our crease. I use this random flat packing brush, my concealer, and I start with putting concealer on the bottom of my lid in the center and then roll my eyes around like a ghost is leaving my body. Rolling your eyes will help you find your real crease line. Then you fill in with concealer from there. Make sure your concealer doesn't have any bumps or holes. We need this base to be smooth for our next step. If you're feeling bold, you can also blend it out with a beauty blender. Now with another flat packing brush, we are going into my 24A Artist palette and taking this bright green called Green Room and putting that right on top of the cut crease concealer we just put down. I am not bringing this shadow completely to my inner corner. The shadow is barely touching my inner corner. Taking our concealer and flat packing brush again and creating our thicky eyeliner with this concealer. Now taking our James X Morphe palette and going back into the dark green that we used earlier, and we are using this as our eyeliner, putting that right over the concealer that we just put down, and I am using an angled liner brush for this step. After your eyeliner, it's time for the rest of your face and your other eye. Bam, that transition was lit. Okay. Taking our flat packing brush one more time and some setting spray, and we're going into our 24A Artist palette into this shimmery green/blue sparkly eyeshadow called Palm Tree, and putting that all up in our inner corner, making it extra sparkly. There's no rules when it comes to glitter. Glitter goes anywhere, but I'm putting it mainly in my inner corner, really making it pop. Now lining my upper lash line to make my lashes appear a lot thicker. By the way, for my brows, I did a black to purple ombre. Now for the under eyes. Taking the dark green we used earlier on a Q-tip and lightly lining my lower lash line on the outer corner. I'm also connecting the green eyeliner and this new green shadow in our waterline, and I'm only bringing this shadow to the middle of my eye. Going back in my 24A Artist Pass palette and taking this dark purple called Major Inspo on a Q-tip and creating a triangle shape in the center of my lash line. Taking the bright green shadow we used earlier called Green Room again on a Q-tip and putting this on my lower lash line on my inner corner, connecting the purple triangle to this green and the purple triangle connected to the darker green. Now it's time for lashes, a witch hat, and a wig, and we are done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also click the bell icon down below to get notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys next time.